Step and turn the right foot. Hands together and up. Lift up the right side. A little slower this time. Back. Here. If you pay attention to your elbow joint, you'll see that when you do that, you screw the joint into place. So, the feet are together. The hands are together. Step and turn the right foot. Hands together and up. Forward. In front. Around. Down into elephant. When making the Ganesh hands, try to bring the elbows together. So not here, but here. This hand is palm open. And in fact, whenever you make Ganesh hands, bring your focus to the palm. Here. This hand is a fist and twisted inwards. So the back of the hand is turned towards the ear. If you pay attention to your elbow joint, you'll see that when you do that, you screw the joint into place. Much in the same way that we screw the knee joint into place in the elephant. And that increases the strength of the joint. Step and kick. Together and up. Sitting into the cat. Forward bow. Place the hands. Reaching up. Lift up the right side. A little slower this time. Back. Here. Open palm. Looking at the palm. Back. Right hand on top. Back. Open palm. Push up. Turn. All the while, hands are on vision. Focus is on the hand. Then back and down. Now we look straight. Change. Change. And reach forward. Hands are resting on the side. And you can turn so your thumb is facing to the back. Right hand back. Left leg up. Kick. Open. Close. Open. Close. Step forward into the wild boar. Square pelvis. Rock back. Down. 2 steps. 1, 2. Cut. Back. 1, 2. Keep the eyes in the front. Open the hip. Kick. Stepping forward. Back. Into the wild boar. 2 steps. Complete the step and then jump out. Step long. Right arm first. Take the head down. Push through. Step forward with the left leg. Good. Step around with the right. And then step, kick. Together and up. Forward. Back and here straight down. Holding there. Keep your knees wide. Keep the pelvis lifted. And try to come back to gentle breathing. So let the exhalation be as long as you can. Fingers down, thumbs on top, elbows together to the chest and then down, forwards and up. Checking yourself that your knees are open, your pelvis is lifted, your chest is lifted. Finishing there. Excellent. Thank you, Ishvari. Okay, so today we've gone through quite a full practice. If you're including all the parts that I asked you to do from the previous classes, we've now gone through the Shakti almost complete. We've gone through the Siva form, the opening part, the Vandanam, Ishvari vanakam, so the first of the vanakam forms. You've gone through the kicks and the first of the dynamic Lohar, and we finished with the postures for stability and grounding. So becoming a full practice now. So well done for getting this far. It's going to become all the more intense as we move forward through the rest of this course and the next courses. So please keep in touch with each other. Keep using the Discord forum. It's becoming a lot more busy now, so please keep sharing your photographs on there and videos. I look forward to answering any questions you have. Until next time, Nalakanam.